The AI race is only just now heating up, and the AI Nexus is covering every development. Anthropic is proving to be a force to be reckoned with, and is showing no signs of slowing down. This week, they announced updates to their widely popular Claude Instant. In this video, we're going to break it all down for you and tell you everything you need to know about these new updates and why you need to make sure Anthropic's suite of AI tools should not be dismissed. But before we do, we send out a weekly update each week on all the AI headlines you may have missed last week. Subscribe now so you don't miss a single one. Now, let's dive right in. Claude Instant, the brainchild of Anthropic, is a streamlined natural language generation chatbot that's designed for speed and efficiency. A sibling to the comprehensive Claude AI chatbot, Claude Instant employs the same language model as Claude 2, but utilizes a distinct inference method, enabling lightning-fast responses in under a second. It's perfect for businesses seeking a swift and effective AI assistant. Claude Instant tackles various tasks, from content creation to Q&A sessions. What sets it apart is its cost-effectiveness, offering a budget-friendly alternative to its sibling, Claude 2. While Claude Instant prioritizes speed and affordability, Claude 2 boasts greater power and handles intricate tasks. The choice between them hinges on your needs and budget. Opt for Claude Instant for quick, economical assistance, or choose Claude 2 for robust capabilities and multifaceted tasks. It's all about aligning the AI with your unique requirements. So now let's really cut to the chase and detail the impact the upgrade had to Claude Instant. For starters, Claude Instant 1.2 takes a page from Anthropic's flagship model, Claude 2, leveraging its strength to deliver a more potent and responsive AI experience. This integration elevates Claude Instant's capabilities across multiple fronts, propelling it to new horizons. Out of the gate, we're hearing Claude Instant 1.2 has made leaps in critical domains, showcasing remarkable growth in math, coding, reasoning, and safety. It's like giving your AI a turbo boost in problem-solving prowess. Diving into the numbers, Claude Instant 1.2 shines with a 58.7% coding benchmark score, a significant surge from Claude Instant 1.1's 52.8. In the realm of mathematics, the improvements are equally astounding, scoring an impressive 86.7% on a set of math questions compared to Claude Instant 1.1's 80.9%. Another impressive impact from the upgrade, and equally as exciting, is Claude Instant 1.2's ability to generate longer, more structured responses while impeccably following formatting instructions. This ensures that your AI assistant not only comprehends, but presents information in a polished and coherent manner. In addition to the enhancements from the update, there are a few notable new features that are included. Claude Instant 1.2's prowess extends to quote extraction, multilingual capabilities, and top-notch question answering. With a more refined approach, it tackles language barriers and complex queries with ease. The previous version did not have such capabilities, and this will certainly expand the user base and the use cases for the technology. For those out there concerned about how secure your inputs are on the platforms, this update has made progress in trying to alleviate those concerns. Claude Instant 1.2 proves its mettle by being less prone to hallucinations and more resilient against jailbreaking attempts, ensuring a reliable and trustworthy AI companion. Not familiar with either of these terms? Well, hallucinations is nothing more than when an LLM is generating responses that are incorrect or irrelevant to the prompt it is given. And as for jailbreaking, these are simply successful attempts from the user to bypass any safety measures in place by using deliberate and well-crafted prompts by the user. With this update, the hope is the majority of these occurrences are eliminated. And finally, and certainly worth mentioning, Claude Instant 1.2 features a context window that's the same size as Claude 2, which is roughly 100,000 tokens. All this means is Claude Instant 1.2 now has the ability to analyze far greater numbers of words that it can then use to generate responses. So what is the Anthropic vision? With the whole suite of Claude products, they aim to be a premier player in the large language model industry, competing with the likes of ChatGPT and Bard. There is no doubt they aim for their products to perform many of the same tasks as the competing LLMs, such as answering emails, writing books, and conducting research. But Claude Instant isn't designed to go head-to-head with ChatGPT 4. Let me remind you, This is the lighter version. This entered the market to be a competitor in the entry-level LLM space. Users must know this is less powerful, contains less features, but on the plus side is more affordable to use and has quicker response time. Want to see Google's AI tool that was just released, poised to disrupt the journalism industry? Then you need to see what Google Genesis is capable of, right here.